Hello and welcome back to another video. So yeah, I've been away from YouTube for a while now, but I am back. So yeah, as you see right now, this is my disassembled Nexus 5 phone. This is not the Nexus 5X, but this is the original one. Some people get mistaken from that. But yeah, I see it right now. The reason why I disassemble it is just to get rid of this. So yeah, this actually caused problems on, because yeah, I think there was like some sort of design flaw on this, so I had to take it off so I could yeah, so I could just press, so I could turn on the phone through a paper clip. So I'm gonna start putting the phone back together. So there we go. And hold on, I think there's a cable sorry. I think there might be a cable missing in this. Maybe like a ribbon, I'm not sure. I think not. Okay, this is in. Let's have to push this in. Yeah, I think it's like kind of stabilized. I mean, not stabilized. After doing that, after I disassembled it. But see, oh yeah, this thing. Oh, sorry. Yeah, I think there was no ribbons. Hold on, I'll just put this up. I'll just put it like this, just so it won't like go inside. And of course, earlier when I reassembled it, yeah, I forgot to reconnect this one, which makes like the back camera, which is well, no, the front camera right here, yeah, not showing. It didn't show. So yeah, this is why you should be careful of this when you're an engineer. Just do not miss any ribbon cables. Hold on. So of course, this is just really hard to do this with one hand. This is like so hard doing it with one hand. When I do it with two hands, it's actually fine. Well, okay, just something right here is poking. There, now the whole phone is back together. Now I just have to connect all these together. Hold on. What? Oh, hold on. No, this. Sorry if I keep not showing the camera, because yeah, right now I'm just looking at the phone, or I could just look at the camera and do it at the same time. I don't know. That will work. And get the battery. Now, this. Of course, I'll reconnect the mainframe layer. Sorry, not again. Let me just. Wait. Sorry if I keep not positioning. Oh, hold on. Oops. This is. Oh yeah, me too. Also. Okay. Unplug it, reconnect it. This is a hard one. Sorry. There we go. Sorry about that. I just had to. Now, let's see now. Okay, now let's boot it up. Don't worry, I won't. Don't worry, nothing will happen to me. Sorry, I'm talking like this because yeah, right now I'm just trying to. Right, I'm just trying to. Okay, there we go. That actually works. Of course, I'm not good at doing things in camera, but yeah. Like if I had a tripod, then that would be easy for me actually. So yeah. So if this camera works, front-facing camera might work. I think back-facing camera might work. Battery obviously works. And yeah, I think the antenna. I think this is like the that's the antenna. And yeah, soon I'm gonna probably put this thing back on. Yes, this is just to to put the shell back on. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So yeah, I'll see you guys later, and goodbye.